Welcome back to the BytePhase tutorial series. In this quick video, we'll show you how to add storage locations in your CRM so you can organize devices better than ever. Let's get started. First, go to the left sidebar and click on the Job tab. Next, click on Job Settings to open the configuration options. From here, click on the Storage Locations tab. Now, click the plus button to add a new storage location. Type the name of your storage location, like Shelf 2 or Repair Shelf A, and click Save. Your new storage location is now added and ready to use. And that's how simple it is to add storage locations in BytePhase CRM. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to help.